Hey guys, good morning here from Michigan. It's almost noon and it's still snowing hard. Road's pretty bad outside. Drove this morning. It hasn't been plowed yet. So I'm home. I'm right outside my apartment. So as you can see, still snowing, still blowing pretty bad, pretty hard. Look at all the trees and there's gusting wind about 30 miles an hour, 50 I guess. Oh, it's so cold. Better put on my hoodie. Good thing I got my gloves on. Got some holes in it so I can touch my phone. Okay. Oh, it's cold. Back to me. It's cold, guys. All these cars buried in the snow, guys.